Today we're going to the Cup Noodle factory in Yokohama. The first part of the museum is a collection of instant noodles throughout history, starting with the first packet of chicken ramen working through to all the different varieties available today. It's cool to see all the noodle flavours developed since the 1950s. Next we moved on to Momofuku's workshed, where he worked to develop what would become instant ramen. Next door to the workshed is Momofuku Theatre, which tells the story of how Momofuku Ando overcame great adversity to achieve global significant inventions such as instant ramen. You go through a rundown of Momofuku Ando's life story and how Cup Noodle came to be. This is fairly in-depth and discusses the challenges and successes faced by the founder of Cup Noodle. Through this area there is also art installations which are pretty cool to see. There's also a restaurant and a play area on the third level, which is great if you have some time to wait between going through the museum and making your cup noodle. It was then time for us to go and make our cup noodles. First you sit down and design your cup. My art was horrible, so we're going to look at Ben's. Once you've drawn your art, you go up to the factory line and you hand your cup to an assistant and they will walk you through the process. I can understand why this is a really popular thing to do at the Cup Noodle factory and why there was such a wait to get in. history telling about instant ramen and interacting with art installations, play equipment and making your own cup noodle. It was a really enjoyable experience. But now it's time for the gift shop. At the gift shop, I bought Yoko-chan as a plushie and as a mobile charm, some cup noodle magnets, a bag of 5 premium flavours of Nissin noodles which came in a Hyoko-chan bag, a packet of 0-second no-cook instant ramen, and a Hyoko-chan ramen bowl. All up it costed 3,300 yen, and I did have to spend all day lugging it around Yokohama. All in all, it was a great experience, and I hope you go there if you find yourself in Yokohama. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, why don't you give it a like or maybe subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!